Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a really pink Valentine's Day look. It's really girly and really glittery, so if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is put our hair up because it's gonna get in the way. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the eyes today. I'm gonna prime them using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Wear Concealer. Let's see, let me show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I'm just gonna do it like I always do. And then we're gonna blend it out with the Real Technique sponge. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my Morphe 35B palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here just to set the eyes. Okay, so our first transition shade is gonna be this color right here from the 35B palette. Again, just taking this fluffy brush from like TJ Maxx or something to put it in my crease. It's very light, but I just want to get the base correctly. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this shade from the Kathleen Lights Times ColourPop Dream Street palette. I'm just gonna take this shade Magical, I believe, this one right here, with the same brush. So now I'm gonna take the shade Love is Love from the Too Faced Clover palette, the cutest palette I think I own. Love is Love, with the same fluffy brush. Just take it lightly in the crease. Now that I look crazy, I'm gonna take the shade Love Letter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Modern Renaissance palette, which looks like Valentine's Day to me because of the colors. This shade right here. Just gonna tap it the slightest bit. Put it in my crease. Now I'm going to take the same shade from the Clover palette, Love is Love, and just focus it a little bit above where I put Love Letter. Now I'm just going to deepen up the crease again, especially focusing on the outer corner with the shade called Daddy's Love Me. This shade right here. And I'm going to use a different brush this time. I'm going to use this ColourPop brush that I got a while back. It's actually baby pink, so I think it's fitting. But looks like this. It's really cute. I think I got it for free with like an eyeshadow or something. Ah! Stop it. Okay, so we're back. My camera kind of died, so I did one eye so I could show you guys how to replicate the other one. This is probably the hardest part of the look and the most stressful part, but we can do this. I know we can. It's just a little hard, but then it's more rewarding in the end when they match. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna take the concealer on this like flat brush. It's actually from the first Naked palette. I used this brush to do cut creases, so it's like actually a dual-ended brush, but I only use this side. I would like to show you guys. Okay, so you see how it's like rounded? That's perfect for creating cut creases. Okay, so after the creases are cut, we're just gonna set it with this eyeshadow down here. It's like kind of a sparkly pink color here. Okay, with the same brush that has a little bit of concealer on it. It'll stick to it better. A little bit of a sheen to it, but nothing like really glittery. I'm going to use a ColourPop shadow to really make the cut crease pop. Okay, so now that the creases are cut, we just finished putting on some of that Morphe color, but now to make the crease really pop, I'm gonna take a Super Shock shadow from ColourPop called Bubbly, which it's my favorite ColourPop eyeshadow I own, and I have a few. So let me just show you it close up. So pretty. And we're gonna take that same brush. If I could find it, that would help. This one from the Naked palette, and I'm just gonna dip it in here and put it right where we cut the crease. Okay, now we're going to carefully add some eyeliner. I'm using the Milani Eye Tech Extreme Liquid Eyeliner. It's just regular eyeliner. We're going to do this very carefully because if you mess up, you kind of mess up the cut crease. So just start off with a very, very thin line, and then you can build it up to the kind of wing that you like. If you like a thicker wing, then you can build it up, or if you like a thin wing, just leave it the same way. But I realized if you start thick, you can definitely mess up what you're doing. Hi guys. Okay, I'm so sorry about the light change. My camera keeps dying, but I really want to film this video because Valentine's Day is coming up, and yeah, I wanted to get it up for you guys. So we're just gonna keep on moving. So next, where's my mascara? Okay, I found my mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Oh, by the way, the last thing that you saw was me putting on my eyeliner, and then my camera died. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara. So I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back for the lip color and highlighter. I did my face, like foundation, powder. I did some contour and bronzing, and now I'm gonna take this Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless blush kit, and I'm gonna take the shade Limitless right in the middle. This one, sorry, the lighting keeps getting worse and worse, and now I'm not even in focus. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna take that with this e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush. Never used this, so let's see how it goes. And now I'm gonna finish up the eyes with the light pink color, Love is Love, in the Clover palette. I'm just gonna put it right under. And now I'm gonna take Love Letter, the same color I've been using from the Modern Renaissance palette, with the same brush, just a little bit closer to the lash line this time. Okay, and now I'm gonna take MAC Costa Riche eyeliner. Ugh, my eyes get so watery. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal telescopic mascara. I'm gonna take, sorry I wasn't in focus. I'm gonna take a little bit of this NYX Glam Liner in the shade something, Glam Nude. That took me a long time. Glam Nude. And I'm just gonna put it almost at the inner corner right here. And now, oh, we're gonna do highlighter. And for today's highlighter, we're gonna be using the J-Cat Beauty Youth Glow Girl Baked Highlighter in 103 Pink Goddess. So it's really, really pretty. Kind of has like a pinky champagne tone to it. And at first, I'm just gonna spray it with a dry brush, and then I'm gonna wet my brush a little bit. I don't know if it's gonna show up much. Ooh. Freaking love highlighting my nose. Oh, it shows up a lot on camera, but for some reason in person it's like, I'm gonna blend it out with the blush brush. Now, for the lip color, I don't know if I'm gonna do this kind of sheer color. I feel like it matches. Or this nude. Let's try them both. No. Nope. I'm gonna put a little bit of this ColourPop Little Stitches satin lip, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. Whew. And now I'm gonna take this NYX Glam Lip Gloss in VIP. Very, very glittery lip gloss. Whew. Whoa. I don't know if I like this lip. Okay guys, so I ended up going for just the lip gloss on its own without the lipstick under it because the lipstick was way too light for me. But this is the finished look. I hope you can see it because I know my room is really dark and I started filming near sunset time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. I am planning on recording another Valentine's Day look, but instead of using pinks, I want to use red next time. Something a little bit more sultry. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!